Traders, I'm looking at Bitcoin on this daily chart, and it's been range bound for some time, quite a few days now, just trading sideways on the daily time frame. The thing about this is it's well and truly overextended. If we look at this price range low to high, we've got a significant imbalance sitting through here. That coincides with a pullback down into equilibrium into the 50%. So my bias with this would be, well, I'm bullish, but I'm not going to be buying at a premium. Okay, smart money buys. This is an accumulation range down here. Now this is ranging. My sense is that we get a bit of a pullback. Can it continue on? Yeah, it can for sure. I mean, they're building liquidity. The algos are trading this sideways at the moment, building liquidity above and below the range. So, if big money's going to push it further, they've got liquidity that's building under here. Just a bit of a dip under, and that would do it. In any case, my thinking is, if I was big money, and I'm not, I don't want to buy at a premium. I want to pull it back down in here and get in at a discount. In any case, my bias with this would be bullish. Stay out of it until we see a potential pullback down into my point of interest down here. Now, we've got on the 4-hour time frame this bullish imbalance through here. Just mark that up as such. Imbalance, bear with me. That would be a potential target for this to pull back. Okay, looks to rebalance. It pulls back into equilibrium, and that would be my play. And I'd be looking for a buy opportunity down in here. So the way that I would get involved, if it trades back down, I would want to see price action. Let's see, I'll just scrunch up the chart a bit, 30-minute chart. I would want to see this trend. I want to see it break structure, trade back down into my point of interest here, range like it's doing at the moment, and then look for a bit of a breakout where it draws in buyers. They run the stops, and then we get displacement. Right, so just be really careful at the moment, guys. This could pull down to here. It could pull down to here. It could go even lower. But wherever this price shifts gears, in other words, we've got a trend here, right? All right. Well, we see a structural shift right there. Okay. Bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish. I mean, it's pretty standard. So you're looking for, look, for example, this is bearish to bullish. Right? So those of you who are new to trading, you could do it that way if you like, pull a diagonal, but more importantly, see where you get this higher low, and you see this level here broken. That's a break of structure there, break of market structure, BOS. Right, so that's where it shifts gears, and then you see it pull back, and you get this higher low, higher high. Right, so the trend shifts from bearish to bullish. Right, so if we come back to our current time, I'm wanting to see this trending down and then a bullish break of structure, and then I'd get involved on the retest, on the breakout and retest. Hope that makes sense. So that's my take on Bitcoin at the moment. Really love to hear your thoughts, guys. Definitely comment below. That would be awesome. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one. Oh, actually, before I go, I might just make a note. Buy only on break of structure. Okay. Buy only on break of structure. Bullish. Otherwise, there's no. Okay. Otherwise, we abandon. There's no trade. Yeah. All right, guys. That's it. Yep. Definitely leave a comment, and I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.